Updating your apps regularly ensures you get the latest features, improvements, and security fixes. Here's how you can update apps on your iPhone, both manually and automatically. How to manually update apps on iPhone. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the Available Updates section. You will see a list of apps with pending updates. Update next to each app you want to update. Or you can choose Update All to update all apps at once. How to enable automatic app updates. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Open App Store. Tap on Automatic Downloads. By enabling this, your apps will automatically update when your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. This guide helps you keep your apps up to date, ensuring the best performance and latest features on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you.